Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to read Instagram messages without them being marked as seen. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any updates. Once your app is up to date, open Instagram and log in if you haven't already. Now go to your direct messages by tapping on the paper airplane icon or the messaging icon in the top right corner. In your DMs, find the conversation you want to read. Tap on the chat to open it. Next, tap on the name of the person at the top of the conversation. This will take you to their profile settings. Now scroll down to the privacy and safety section. Here, you'll see an option for read receipts. Toggle it off. By turning off read receipts, you can now read messages without the sender knowing you've seen them. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to read Instagram messages without being marked as seen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.